Welcome you all of another class. In this class we are going to discuss class 9 chapter triangle of NCERT exercise 7.3. I will discuss some important sums. So shall we start our class? Our first sum is ABC and DBC is a two isosceles triangle having same base of BC, and what he says, A and D are on same side, clear, of BC. If AD extend to intersect BC, this is AD side, you have to extend on side BC is a point P. Then you have to show that, first question is, you have to show that triangle ABD is congruent to ACD. This is first one. And second one case is APB is congruent to ACP. And our third case is AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. And fourth one is AP is a perpendicular bisector on BC. These are the four cases. Now we solve our first cases. We start from first one. Our first case is solution of first. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In this triangle, AB is equals to AC. This is given. BD is equals to CD. This is already given. And AD equals to AD. This is common side. AD this side. AD equals to AD is common. Then we said what? Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SSS congruency. This is our first case. Now we have to solve our case 2, second one. This is the solution of case 2. In case 2, you have to take triangle ABP and triangle ACP. Clear? AB is equals to AC. This is given. And angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. How? Since angle BAD is equals to angle CAD by CPCD from previous one, and AP is equals to AP this side. AP equals to AP is common. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by SAS congruency. This is our case 2. Now we have to solve our case 3. Case 3. In case 3, from our first case, from first part, we earlier see this ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. This is already see from case first. When triangle incongruence, then what? By CPCT what we said? ADB is equals to ADC by CPCT. Next what we do, see carefully. This we have tried what? 180 minus angle ADB. Those things we do in left hand side, same we do in right hand side. ADC. Clear? And also this implies that, and also from second case, angle BAP is equals to angle CAP by CPCT. Therefore what we said? Therefore AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. This is our third case. Now next one is our fourth part. In this question we have 4 cases. Next we solve our case 4. Case 4. In case 4, now BP is equals to CP and angle BPA is equals to angle CPA by CPCT. But see the figure carefully. But angle BPA plus angle CPA is 180 degree. This BPA and CPA. Why? Linear pair. Or these both angles are equal to each other. So what we write? Angle BPA is equals to 180 degree. Why? Since angle BPA is equals to angle CPA. This cuts up to 90 times. Therefore, angle BPA is 90 degree. When angle BPA is 90 degree, and or since BP equals to CP, then what we said? AP is, therefore AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. This is our case 4. In this question we have 4 cases. This is question number 4. In this question, BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC using RHS congruence rule. Prove that the triangle the triangle ABC is an isosceles. This is the given question. Now we have to draw the figure. This is our triangle ABC, and we have two equal altitude. This is BE and this is CF. This is 90, this is 90. So we have to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. See how we solve this question. Since in triangle ABC, BE equals to CF, this is already given, equal altitude. Clear? Now we have to take triangle BEC and triangle CBF. This is our triangle. In this triangle, angle BEC is equals to angle CFB. This is 90, and BC equals to BC. Why? This is hypotenuse. This is given. This is hypotenuse given, and BE equal to CF. This is altitude. BE equals to CF. This is already given. Now this is our right angle triangle. This is our hypotenuse and this is our side. So therefore, triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CBF by RHS congruency. When triangle are congruent, then we said what? When triangle are congruent, then we said what? Angle BCE, angle BCE is equals to angle CBF by CPCT. We know that when opposite angles are equal, then we said what? Therefore, AB equals to AC. Why? We know that angle opposite or you write like that in a simple way. Sides opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal. This is the reason. When two sides are equal, then we said what? Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Proved. I hope this solution is clear to you. This is one of the most important sum of exercise. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.